This is an update from our trip to Japan. We're here in Kyoto at the moment and I'm heading back to Tokyo tomorrow. It's been a fantastic trip, blown by way too quickly. Kind of sad to see it end, but I wanted to make a quick little video just to talk about some of the equipment we've been using here. I've been using when we've been wandering around the city itself and the countryside. I was able to go to the area in Shinjuku actually and go to map camera and get the 58mm 1.4, which I guess is a somewhat controversial lens. Online, reading about, some people seem to think that it's not a very sharp lens, but I'll be posting a few images from this trip using that lens, and I think it's done a fantastic job. Super happy with the image quality, and just the bokeh is fantastic. So, in my opinion, fantastic lens. Probably not as on par with the 85 as far as portraiture, but just a great lens for walking around the city and getting some really unique images that you wouldn't normally get. It really has some character to it. So I'll be interested to hear what other people think about the images, and if you think it's an overrated lens, I don't know. We shall see. Feel free to make any comments you like. But I've also got the 35mm that I'm recording on this video, and I think it has done a really great job. It's just the seamless focus, super quiet. So it's a 35mm 1.8, which is the Z-mount lens that's designed for the Nikon Z6. So also super happy with that lens. It's just unbelievably quiet and sharp, I think. I'm going to toss in a bunch of footage from our visit to one of the temples here in Kyoto, Kiranki-ji or something like that. But the Golden Temple. It was beautiful, but unfortunately a little overcast, super hot today. Crazy hot, in fact. But I'm going to cut this off right here. All right, thanks guys. Talk to you later.
What are you doing to me? Huh? Ay, ay, ay. What are you doing? Yeah, you coming after me? Ay, ay, ay. Ay, you're scratching my butt, dude.